About a week ago, Brother Tomi Arayomi shared a prophetic word he received from the Lord. He said that God is saying that in this month of February 2026, God is fulfilling Isaiah 25 verse 7, where he is removing the veil that is cast over nations. This is a global spell of distorted deception. It is the veil that is causing people to call evil good and to call good evil. A spell that causes people to trust what enslaves them, to fear what has no power, to follow blind leaders, to live inside narratives that were never true. He said the Spirit of God says, I am tearing it apart. I will leave a link to the full prophetic video in the description for those who want to watch it. What I want to do here is to encourage everyone to pray into this word. Many of us have seen the effects of this spell, wondering how people can be so blind. The world is extremely polarized because of this spell. But here is where we need to be careful. You may ask which side of the narratives I am on, and I want to tell you that it doesn't matter. What matters is that we humble ourselves and ask God to break the spell, even over ourselves. If you are only praying that others will see the truth as you see it, you are part of the problem. In every situation, there is my side of the story, there is your side of the story, and then there is the truth. This is not a month to pray into your subjective understanding of the world, but it is a time for us to ask God to reveal the truth, even in our own lives. Be humble enough to be convicted of the truth, even if it contradicts what you have believed for years. The only thing that is worse than being proven wrong right now is to stubbornly cling to any false beliefs you might have, only to be proven wrong later. May God truly break the spell of deception over my nation, South Africa, as well as every other nation in the world. Pray into it in humility. The time is now. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.